Namaste children, this is Mausmi, Science Faculty, Mangala Vidya Mandira. So, today we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 12, Electricity and Circuit. So, first we will see what we are going to learn in this chapter. So, here we will learn about electric shell, electric bulb, electric circuit, electric switches, conductor and insulator. So these all things we are going to learn in this chapter. Let's see one by one. Electricity, it's a very important for our daily life. In modern civilization, you might observe that it is very difficult for us to live without electricity. So morning to night, we are start and we are going to sleep till bed. We will end with our day with electricity. Like morning, we need hot water. We will switch on geyser. Then we need to iron that iron box. Then to cook, we need micro oven or mixer machine. Then freeze, washing machine. So each and every part we are using. Also switch on fan, lights, TV, mobile. Nowadays it is most important as we are doing the online classes. So laptop, mobile, tab. So these all are depends on the electricity. So it is very important for our life. So as it is very important, we will know that how electricity produce and what is the small things, how we can we are switching, give the switch and we are getting the lights. We give the switch, we are and that fan will on. So these all things, how it is happening, how. So this we will learn in this chapter, that is electric circuit. So to learn these all things, first thing is electric cell. So you might observe in your home small battery, and that you like every day we are using in remote or toys. Everywhere we are using this all thing. This cell, that is actually called electric cell. So, but normally we are use the word electric battery, but it is the source of electricity. That means inside this it has chemical which present inside this cell. It's produce the electricity. So now what I was telling, we are telling battery. Normally we used to use the battery, but what is these things when we will. So when we are going to use this one, so this one is known as cell. Okay, but when we are using more than one, okay, so this combination of two or more cells are called okay. So this is known as battery. So if you observe a cell, you might observe that it has one top cap. It is called mantle, and where this top cap will be there, that terminal is known as positive terminal. Okay, and that down opposite side of that positive terminal, definitely it is negative. Okay, now this is about the cells. So when we will connect this cell with a circuit, it will give the electricity to the circuit, and whatever we need, like when we are using remote it will on, and when we are using torch torch bulb will glow. So when we use the cell inside the appliances. Okay, now next is electric bulb. So when we are using that to light the with the help of electricity, we are using either electric bulb as or tube light. Nowadays we can get CFL bulb. So many improvisation things has come. LED bulb, CFL bulb. What before it was as that normal electric bulb, which is look like this. Okay, so in this bulb, if you observe, so it has like this two terminal, okay, which will be connect to the two junction of the, that means positive and negative side it will be connect. Okay, it will connect, it will fix with these two pin you can observe here. So here you can observe two pin kind of thing. So this pin will be fixed in the holder, bulb holder. Okay, now let's see. So here you can see, if you observe the bulb carefully, as you are in 6th standard, you might observe the bulb. So very thin kind of things like this here you can observe thin. This is nothing but called filament. Okay, this is made up of tungsten. Tungsten is one element. Okay, element you can see in the periodic table elements. Okay, it is one element which we are using here as a tungsten, like iron, copper, aluminum, these all are elements. Similarly tungstens also. So this tungsten will be with the help of electricity it will glow, then only bulb will glow, it will burn. Okay, then these two are known as support wire. Then inside this bulb it is covered with a glass. Okay, then inside that it will filled with the inert gas, either argon or nitrogen. Okay, then some another arrangement you can observe, it is called exhaust tube, then dumet wire, then lead wire. Okay, so these all other parts of the main things are the support wire as well as tungsten filament, then this exhaust tube and dumet wire. Okay, these are, and then inside inert gas as well as this glass bulb, which is covered the bulb. Okay, and we are using glass to give the, as already you have know that this normal glass is the transparent object. So as it is transparent, it will, we can able to get the light. Okay, so light produced by the glow of filament inside the bulb. Okay, when it will connect to a electricity power or power supply, then it will glow and we will get the light. Now electric circuit. So first we will see what is the simple circuit. Okay, what is circuit? If you observe here, total 6 picture has given. In that, if you observe, two picture bulb are glow, others it's not glow. So what is the reason for that? It is look like the same arrangement, one cell, one bulb, and somewhere it is connected. So first one, if you work, that two where it's connected to the cell with the bulb. Okay, second one, if you observe, what is happening? Yes, second one, what is happening? If you observe here, it is not connected, it is broken. Third one also, if you observe, it is not connected. Fourth one, you can see the both the wire is connected to the one terminal. Fifth one also similarly one terminal, and sixth. So these two is the complete proper circuit. So what is circuit then? Let's see. The two terminals of electric cell were connected to two terminals of the bulb. Such type of arrangement is known as electric circuit. So it is a complete circuit, is closed circuit, and other three are open circuit. It's not closed. So when the circuit will be complete or closed, that time the electricity supply will start. So it is like this way it is supplying from positive to negative. So like this way when it will supply, the bulb will glow. Here also it is happening. Okay, but these all other four, it is not connected. That means it is not a complete. It is break in the circuit. So here you can see the break. Okay, so it is break in the circuit. Break can be happen if the terminals are not connected, or another one thing can be happen if the filament broken. Okay, if the filament also broken, the the circuit will not complete and bulb will not glow. So I hope you have understood. The two terminals of electric cell were connected to the two terminals of bulb. So two terminals will be separately connected to the two terminal of the bulb. Then only the circuit will get complete. So here just you observe, here it is broken. Okay, if the broken circuit, if we make here a switch, okay, then we can connect it. So when we will switch on, that means we are going to connect. Okay, like this. If I keep like this, now it is broken, but if I, so now these two are connected. That means switch on. Okay, now this is switch off because both the terminal is not connected. Okay, like this way. So when that break in path or break in circuit, the bulb will not glow. Okay, now electric switches. Yes, what I was discussing, that electric switches is that which will break or on the terminal. You might observe in your home so many switches are there like this, correct? So you will so here you can see some plug point. So when we will give the plug point, some if we want to charge the mobile or charge or anything to iron, we have to pin. So like that, this plug with, but this switch we are using. Okay, so switches you can see. So what the switch, it has two part, on and off. So when we will on the switch, it will connect the circuit. That means it will complete the circuit. Okay, but when we will switch off, it will break the circuit. So break the circuit means it will not. That means when we complete the circuit, bulb will glow, fan will on, or other activity what we want to do, it will happen. How we will connect the circuit. And when we will switch off, the connection or circuit breaks. That means bulb off, fan off. So whatever we want to switch off, so it will be stop. Okay, so if you observe here, this is a very simple kind of switches you can made in your home with the use of safety pin. Okay, so like the two paper pin use, that one terminal you connect and another one is just open, keep open. So when you just connect this terminal, when you connect this terminal with this, that time this circuit will complete and bulb will glow. Okay, that means this switch, when it will connect, the circuit will get complete. And this is the one kind of very simple switch. So you can make this switch. So I have given you one activity where you have to make a simple circuit with a simple switch, and you have to take a video that your model is working. That means you have to show that when you are switch on, the bulb will glow, but you need not to use the switch, normal switch. Okay, just use like this kind of things. Make the switch as your own. You can use, other than safety pin, you can use paper pin, you can use that anything metal like normal key, or you can use the lead of pencils. Okay, so like that you can make a switch and make a simple circuit. So what are the uses of switches? It will help to safely break and complete the circuit. So it is a safety measures. So when we are any problem or anything, we can suddenly switch off, okay, to break the circuit. Then as we are using, in your home, some separate switches are there for separate devices. So what will happen if we use one or two switches for all the appliances? It will be the circuit will be more complicated, and here there will be chances of misuse or misguide the appliances, and it can be damaged also. Okay, so it is control the individual devices. Okay, next, it will be save energy as well as money. Okay, so when we were using the separate devices for different type switches, it will be save the energy. That means we need, if we use for whole house one switch only, that time what will happen, if we don't want some places light or fan or any other things, but it will be unnecessarily switch on. So that way, if we use the separate switches, it will be save energy as well as money. Okay, so this is about electric switches. Now conductor and insulator. So already you know that conductor means which will be allow to pass through that. That means the things which will allow the electricity to pass through them, like metal. That's why we are using the electric wire as a copper wire. So copper is a very good conductor. Okay, then iron, then aluminium. Okay, these all are very good. Other than any metal are very good conductor. So material which allow electric current to pass through them are conductors of electricity. Okay, like all kind of metals, iron, copper, aluminium, pencil lead. Okay, water also good conductors of electricity. So this will be allow the electric current to pass through them. Okay, then the material, some materials are there like wood, then plastic, then paper, thermocol, then you can know china clay. So china clay you might observe in your home, in that fuse, where fuse taar is connected, no, in main switch, there you can observe that we are using the china clay. So it is very good insulator. Insulator means which will not allow electric current to pass through them. Okay, they are called insulators. So these are like cork, rubber, glass, plastic, wooden block, thermocol, paper. These are the very good insulator of electricity. Okay, but human body is a good conductor of electricity. That's why if we touch electrical appliances with wet hand, or if direct connection with the electric wire with the human body, we will get the electric shock, because human body is a good conductor of electricity. Okay, so this chapter anyhow I have finished. So it is a very small chapter and very basic things and it is a very basic what we are using in our daily life situation. You can see these all things. So you complete your work. First of all, you should read the textbook, and those who watch the video, read the textbook, then you have to complete this project. So what you will do, first you should design a working model of simple circuit. So what do you need for that? You need one or two cell, okay, one or two cells, then connect in series, then you need little electric wire, then one bulb, small LED bulb also, very good. Okay, then make a switch with use of safety pin or paper pin. Okay, then prepare a video to explain this circuit. So you have to prepare a small video to explain this circuit and you have to upload in the group. But this circuit you will draw in your activity book, and right side in white page you will draw, and right side you will write, ruled side you will write neatly the explanation on the electric circuit. So what you are using, required materials, then how you made the circuit. So these all details you have to write. So I hope you have understood this very simple chapter, and you have to send this project small video to the group. Okay, as well as this things you have to write in activity book, that also take a picture and send to the group. Okay, both the work you have to do. And again I am saying you read the textbook before doing the project. Okay, then this chapter also finished. I will send you the notes. Okay, thank you children.